Tado Smart AC Control, Smart Heat Pump Control. Apparently it's a smart way to control your air conditioner or heat pump. That's what we're going to find out in this video unboxing and review. I'm here in front of my new door in my new studio, and as you can see, it's green. Did you know you have to paint these white? Oh, they come green. I thought you had to peel the sticker off and underneath was white. I thought it was like protective, but no, they come green. What do you know, hey? Anyway, have you hit subscribe yet? Clearly you can see I've got some renovations that need to be done. So hit subscribe to keep up to date with everything I'm doing on my channel. Now let's see how we can upgrade this smart home with a heat pump control. Now I'll be honest, they threw me a bit with the whole heat pump thing. I guess that's what it's called, but in Australia we just call it aircon. And you can either have reverse cycle or ducted if you are super fancy. If you're super unlucky, then you have fans, or pedestal fans. And as I learnt recently, fans keep people cool, aircon keeps rooms cool. One thing's for sure though, most homes that use air conditioning can really suck the power, especially if you're living in a hot Australian summer climate. And this summer has seen some scorcher days, which means some scorcher power bills. Heating and cooling can account for 40% of an average Australian household's energy use. Tado has released a few different models of smart home upgrades that help you monitor your power usage while still keeping your house at a comfortable temperature, cooling it when you need it rather than turning it on and leaving it on for long periods of time. These controllers link to your home via your Wi-Fi and smartphone, so it works with Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit and Alexa. In the box is the Smart AC Control, adhesive strips to stick it up, a power adapter that's wrapped up with more plastic than Laura Palmer in Twin Peaks, and a USB cable which is USB to micro USB. The instructions are really easy to follow and have nice clear illustrations, but most of the setup comes from downloading the Tado app on your mobile. It takes no time to install, and syncing it with your AC remote is as easy as taking a picture of it, then recording an on-off function. Then the machine beeps a lot and you're ready to go. Once it's in action, there's lots of features and functions. The device monitors the air comfort of your home, and from there you can set a schedule to create a balance of comfort and power usage. If you leave a window open, it sends you a reminder message asking if you want to turn the AC off to conserve power. And if you leave your home, it can detect that and turn it back on when you're on your way home, so the house is pre-cooled, ready for you. The device measures both temperature and humidity, which can cause mold to grow in your home. So by keeping your air quality in check, it's easy to avoid potential harmful things, and having it all on your phone right where you can see it is what having a smart home is all about. I tested the model on a fairly old Fujitsu heat pump and it worked really well, but it's said to be compatible with most manufacturers, so Samsung, Toshiba and a stack of others. If you want to see the list, then head to the website and have a look. Tado's one of those really cool devices that brings your house one step closer to being a smart home without getting your whole house rewired. However, I would like to see a hardwire option so that you don't have a long USB cable just hanging out down your wall. There are ways to hide that, but you know, there's a lot of mucking around. It is great though that it works with both iOS and Android, and it really is a cool device.